I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Toyota Tundra radio, full guide. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid electrical accidents and airbag deployment risks. Remove trim panels gently with a plastic pry tool and set clips aside. Keep fasteners in labeled containers so you can reassemble accurately. Wear gloves to protect your hands and a soft cloth to protect surfaces. Take photos during disassembly to reference when reinstalling the radio unit. In this video, I will show how to remove Toyota Tundra radio, full guide. Locate all fasteners including those behind cup holders and under small panels and remove them with the correct tool. Use a plastic pry tool to release clips gradually to prevent cracks in the trim. Keep each panel and screw set together and label them by location for easy reinstallation. Photograph each step so you have a visual reference when putting everything back together later. In this video, I will show how to remove Toyota Tundra radio, full guide. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tutorials. Quick recommendation: a book that can change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs well with DIY projects and budgeting for upgrades. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to remove Toyota Tundra radio, full guide. After removing trim, unplug the antenna and wiring harnesses by depressing release tabs and pulling straight out to protect connectors. Remove the mounting bolts with the correct socket or nut driver and support the radio as it comes free to avoid dropping it. Slide the unit out on soft padding to prevent scratches and inspect connectors and brackets for wear. Keep parts organized and ready for reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.